Hey everybody, welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today we're going to be checking out the new 1.79.0 update. Apparently they added some soccer and stuff. Alright everybody, we are officially in the new update now, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I've just checked every map. I'm checking backlots now, because I feel like stage 5 would be a good spot to put any like goalie thing. There's nothing here. I'll check here for just in case. There's anything here. That's still the same. Let's check state. Oh! Yo! I got some soda. Can't even grab it, bro. What are we doing? Oh. Got sandals, bro. Oh, you actually have to hit it. Oh, I remember seeing like a grab it for their soccer team. Do you say it, I guess? Okay, there it goes. Wait, I want to see if you get anything like winning a match or something. Let me pull you. I'm also seeing. Oh, that's what that is. They got one of them little like water pour. You can't interact with it. Can you interact with these? I really hope you can interact with these. You can. Oh, it's like Snake. What? Okay, bro. Wait, they have Snake in this? Bro, I didn't even go down. Okay, this is so stupid. Wait, so did they change anything in here then? Okay, what the hell is this? Oh, what? Wait. What do you do? Where'd that just go? And what is this? Oh, okay, wait. What is this? See item. Oh, y'all, they got like gears? How would this even work, though? Is something in here? Or was that just the timer? There shouldn't be no one in here. Yeah, there's no. What the hell was that? Okay, yeah, that was just the timer. So. What is the objective of this? Do you have to like score it in there? Oh, okay, sure. Yo, yeah. Alright, so they added like geared wheels. Does this do anything now? Like, I want to see if this does anything. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Okay. I don't know why it would, but test it. Damn, bro, why is it so big? Wait, this would be cool if I could do build where it's like on like your back and they just use it as like lasers or something. What are you? Do y'all do anything? I don't think they do anything. Brass lamp. I don't know what you do. Can I hit the ball with it? Oh, you can't. Wait, I want to try hitting with like a knockback weapon, see if that does anything. I mean, it's stronger, but I don't think he did that much more. Alright, we have spikes. This ain't even. Turns slowly, hurts quickly. So, I don't understand this. Are they supposed to do something? Maybe, like, since it's a new update, like, maybe they're bugged for now or something. I can't believe I'm wasting so many research points, bro. And soccer ball. What is this, dude? Oh, there it goes. I was about to say, dude, the hell is that? Alright, I'm gonna just get all this stuff out of the way. Wait, money glitch?
This is cool, but like, kind of expected. I want it to actually spin and have an animation, bro. That's what I want. Open cog. Open cog small. Same hole as cog, bro. Spiked cog small. What did it say? Bite-sized danger. Do these do damage? These have to do damage or something. Are those all the new items? Looks like it. Wait, if they're all in this, then it makes sense. Oh, they have more? Iron stack. What is this? Snow stack? I don't know what that's supposed to do. Already did that. Heavy and decorative. Alright, I'm not wasting more, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do one. This ain't even heavy, bro. I guess for one item it's kind of heavy. Alright, is there anything else in here? I don't think there is, but...
Okay, everybody, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Like and subscribe to let me know you did. And if you want more content like this, have a good one, and peace.